67% of Indian D2C brands lose hot WhatsApp leads in under 5 minutes every single day. But one Mumbai skincare brand cracked it. They automated their entire WhatsApp sales flow in 30 days. And here is the wild part. Their conversion rate jumped from 2% to 19%. Picture this. A customer DMs at 11 p.m. asking about your serum. Your sales team is asleep. By morning, that customer has already bought from a competitor who replied in 8 seconds flat. This D2C brand was burning 4 lakh rupee monthly on 5 WhatsApp agents who could not keep up. Reps replied to maybe 60% of chats. Follow-ups, forgotten. Cart recovery, practically zero. Founder told us we were paying premium salaries for amateur response times. So they made a bold call. Replaced the entire human sales desk with one AI agent. They deployed Niyati AI from CRM Astra OS, one agent handling thousands of WhatsApp chats simultaneously. The math was brutal. 5 executives at 4 lakh rupee versus one I at 7,999 rupee. That is a 98% cost reduction without losing a single lead ever. Here is what an actual conversation looks like. Customer asks about pricing at midnight. Niyati handles objections, shares product images, and even processes the payment link instantly. And the magic, she follows up. 3 hours later, 24 hours later, automatically. Within 30 days, the brand hit 100% follow-up rate, up from a measly 15%. Cart recovery alone added 11 lakh rupee in monthly revenue. From conversations the team used to ignore. Compare the old way to the new way. 5 humans, slow replies, missed nights, exhausted team. One AI agent, 8-second response, full coverage, 0 sick days, 0 attrition heads. And it is not just WhatsApp. Niyati handles voice calls and emails too. One brain, 3 channels. If you run a D2C brand and your WhatsApp inbox is leaking money, this is your sign. Start your 14-day free trial today. Setup takes under 30 minutes. No credit card needed.